Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how long it takes for a bank transfer to clear on Coinbase. This is a question that I get asked a lot, so I thought I would do a video on it to help everyone out. Before we get started, I want to make it clear that I am not a financial advisor. The information in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial advice. So, how long does it take for a bank transfer to clear on Coinbase? The answer is, it depends. There are a few factors that can affect the time it takes for a bank transfer to clear on Coinbase. The type of bank you are using. Some banks process transfers faster than others. The time of day you initiate the transfer. Transfers initiated during business hours may clear faster than those initiated outside of business hours. The amount of the transfer. Larger transfers may take longer to clear. Whether or not you have verified your identity with Coinbase. If you have not verified your identity, your transfer may be delayed. Whether or not there are any technical issues with Coinbase. If Coinbase is experiencing technical difficulties, your transfer may be delayed. In general, it takes 1 to 5 business days for a bank transfer to clear on Coinbase. However, it is possible for it to take longer. Here are some tips for speeding up the process. Initiate your transfer during business hours. Use a bank that is known to process transfers quickly. Make sure you have verified your identity with Coinbase. Keep an eye on the status of your transfer in the Coinbase app. If your transfer is taking a long time to clear, contact Coinbase customer support. Here are some additional things to keep in mind. Bank transfers are not instant. It will take some time for the funds to transfer from your bank account to your Coinbase account. You will not be able to withdraw funds from your Coinbase account until your bank transfer has cleared. You may be charged a fee for initiating a bank transfer to Coinbase. I hope this information has been helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more cryptocurrency content. Additional tips. Use a strong password for your Coinbase account. Enable two-factor authentication for your Coinbase account. Be careful when clicking on links or downloading files from emails or text messages. Only use reputable exchanges and wallets. Do your own research before investing in any cryptocurrency. If you are interested in learning more about cryptocurrency, I encourage you to check out my other videos on the topic. I also have a blog where I write about cryptocurrency news and trends. Thanks for watching.